How to create a new document? To create a new document, you have to choose File, New. So this opens a window that requires some input. That those inputs are default also, and you can give by yourself. I'll show you how to do this. Then we have various resolution. You have to give the size, the background, the resolution, and then the steps are simple. First, you have to say go to menu, the file menu. New you have to do. Then you have to put in the size. Then the background can be changed and resolution can be changed. Once this is done, you can save the document. If you have done something on the document, you can save the document. So these are various formats. These are not the only format, but the popular one is .psd, which is the Photoshop own format, and it preserves the layers, because you have a background layer, then you have various layers. Everything like the text, like the solid fill, all these comes as a layer. JPG is a very famous and popular on web and used for graphics on the web. .gif, this is also for the web, but is best for the text, because the text are not good on JPG. This is only good for pictures. TIFF, tagged image file format, this is a very important cross-platform format that preserves all quality for printing. Then .pct, this is another good format for print and cross-platform. So what is the way how to do it? First, we open Photoshop, we go to the document, we click OK, then we perform some editing, then we save it, and we can save it with another name also. So before we go ahead, let me show you how this is done. And I have a version of Photoshop. So let us see that version of Photoshop does match with you or not. If it doesn't match, don't worry about that. The things will remain same if it is a Photoshop. So let me open the Photoshop. This is Adobe Photoshop CS. You can see the version also, and you can match the version also. I've downloaded a free version, so some of the functionalities are not there, but still we'll be able to know what is going on. So what we are going to do here is, first this is how it is opening. So this is version 8.0. Okay. Now this is our Photoshop. First of all, I'll create a new image. This is the untitled one. You can name it also. My first, like this. Now these are the width and height. You can change the width and height. Let me change the width and height. Say 650. I'm just changing it for you to see. I'm not doing anything. Resolution, let me make it 150. See, as I made the resolution higher, this image size has changed. And this is in the version 1-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit. You can choose 8-bit. Okay, then say okay. So this is your canvas. This is the area where you're going to make something. So if I can take something and I can write my name. Okay. This is how. You can do some image editing. And I've just done some image editing. This is the background. See, this is the background. This is eye. If I switch off the eye, this image will go. But we are not interested in this right now. Let me save it for you. I have opened the file. Now let me save it for you. So now you can save this file. I have already made this as a Photoshop as a folder. So you can make any folder and you can save these images. And when you are saving these images, these are the all options which are available to you. PNG, PICT, all BMP, so many formats are there. Let us go to JPG and try to save my first.jpg. Save. And this, because this is JPG Joint Photographer Expert Group, it is going to ask you about the quality, because the compression totally depends on the quality, and compression are directly related. Means if you want quality, the compression should not be very higher. Compression should be less so that you could see the quality. So this is being saved. Let me go to that folder now. So I have a folder. I just made this image. So this is our image, right?